Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your templates on a Squarespace website in 2024. Of course, whether you're looking to refresh your website design or you're just trying as example a completely new template for you or layout. So I will walk you through the process of changing these templates or this template of course on your Squarespace website. So make sure to stick by and let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically just go to the URL section. And here, of course, you'll have to go to squarespace.com. So type squarespace.com, hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll be taken to this page. Of course, if it's your first time, you'll be taken here instead. So here, make sure to go and click on login to log in into your account if you have an account by any chance. And if you don't have an account, as an example, click on get started. Once you do so, you'll be taken to this page. Here, of course, you'll be able to use a Google, Apple, or Facebook account if you have one of those, so you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the account dashboard right away, which is this one. And here, of course, if you have any site, you'll need to go and access it so you can go and change that Squarespace template. Of course, you can also start from the beginning by clicking on this create a website and create everything from scratch. And even I would advise you to do that. Why? It's a better option for you because it's very simple and easy on Squarespace and it's very fast. You can even create a website using AI as an example if you want to. And yeah, like it's gonna be very simple and very easy. And of course, from there you can just go and choose whatever like websites you want or whatever new templates you want. You know. So as an example, because as you can see in here, I have no like websites yet. All of those like on trial as an example. So if I click on it, just see, I'll not be able normally to do some stuff on it. So let me just go here, as you can see. So of course, as you can see, I can access the sites, but I'll not be able, I guess, to edit this, as you can see. So yeah, it's locked. So I'll just go here and create a new site right away. I'll just go and delete those two. Very simple and very fast. As you can see, I'll create websites right now and right away with you, which is going to be very simple, as you can see. So I don't even have to answer those questions. I can just go and skip all of them, and I can just type build with AI, create a site. You'll find this problem at the first time. Just click again. Don't worry. And as you can see, the website will be created very fast. So just keep waiting, hold on. And as you can see, now all you need to do, just give it a title as an example. So for me, as an example, just name it Omexist. And here, I'll just let like this professional. Of course, whatever you choose here, it's going to be changing the fonts, the colors, etc. Of course, here you'll have to choose the like pages that you want to include. As an example, if you want to add any product section, service section, anything, just click on next. Here, the pages as well. Then click on next, choose the colors, next, fonts, and finish, and they will basically create your site. As you can see, very simple and very easy. So now I choose an example, this templates, and of course that's the website being created with. But as we said, we would like to change that template. For example, yeah, of course, you can start selling and do whatever you want. For example, this is the template that we choose. So, but I want to change the template. So what should I do? What you can do, and of course, before like we jump into anything, it's important to note that Squarespace like 7.1, which is the most recent version, works like a bit different way from earlier versions like in 7.1. You can just switch templates like you could have in 7.0. Instead, you'll need to work within the existing template and customize. But don't worry, as an example, you still have a lot of flexibility to make your own or your site looks exactly how you want, and basically you can call it as changing template. So, of course, you can start from over as an example if you want to. Go to this left panel, click on pages in here, and on this pages, as you can see, right here, you'll be able, of course, to go and delete all the pages that you have. Of course, click on delete. Make sure to let just the home page. We will not be able. You can even like go here and create a new blank page and make it as the home page as an example. and go here, sets at the home page, so you can delete all the other pages. From there, as an example, you can start like creating everything from scratch, from like homepage, from courses page, about page, contacts page, and change the design however you want. As an example, if we go and click on a new page, so I'll just do that. Here, if we go and choose like, instead of blank page, I'll choose a page layout. And as you can see, they'll give me to choose from several templates. So from here, as an example, I can change the template of each page, which is basically can mean changing the template of the whole website. Because as we said before, we will not be able to change it like as you used to do before in Squarespace and change the whole template. So now you can just go and delete the page as an example and start creating each page. As an example, this I want to create a service page. So as you can see, I have multiple here templates for that service page. And after, of course, I choose that page, I can go and like go to the design section, change colors, change fonts, change text, change headers, change main navigation, change anything that I want about that specific page. As you can see, of course, you can then click on edits, and here if you go to edit styles, you'll be able also to edit anything other than that you want. So you will have all the flexibility to change, as you can see, the theme, the font, the buttons, the forms, anything that you want. Just click on whatever suits you and you'll be good to go. Of course, you can even go to any page and click on add the section, a new section, and as you can see, each section, example, if it's about people, it's about contacts, about a lot of stuff, you always have multiple choices to choose from if you're creating a new thing. And as example, for this one, you can also add multiple blocks to customize the experience of your customers in this website. So don't worry, just do your thing, change the pages, change the template, and change the pages, of course, change the sections, change the block, change the colors and everything. Once you finish, click on save, and congratulations, your template will be changed within it. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.